Greg, this represents the latest version of that single flashing light model. You can see a quite dark night tonight, probably only 20 metres off the waterline, but it's quite glaring. It's bouncing onto a black concrete road, so if that road was wet or shiny, you see that the reflection will be quite more substantial. I've got a bucket sitting under at the moment. Let me just kick that bucket out of the road. You can see the light stops operating, and then it's quite as simple as the water comes up and you make a movement underneath it. Away you go. And this is the inside, the workings of it. I'll just turn it on here in better light. And that's it, really ready for installation. It also can give us the depth, 20mm increments in water, above water, or on land.